All right, now I got it rolling. Ooh, ooh, did you see that? Something just blew up on that school of mullet.
And so that little lake that over there, yeah, we used to go, yeah.
Ooh, right there, right there. Oh, look at the trout. Throw it over there. Look at them all. I've never seen this before. Throw over there, Mom. Oh. Throw over there, Mitch. I think I turned my GoPro on. You didn't get him, Mom?
No,
here, throw over here right in front of us. Oh, that's a good trout. Where's the net?
Oh, shit.
Where's the net? Good netting job, Mom. Right in front of us, Mitch. Throw yours out, Mom. Come on, get him.
What happened to my...
You get him? You got him, I think. No? He's running out of the boat.
Oh, shit.
Oh, oh, here we go.
Oh, shit. Here.
Mine's a little bit bigger. What the hell is going on? All right,
We gotta get these off.
all right, he spit one. Come on, Mitch, you didn't even catch a fish.
No, I didn't do anything. All right,
Right behind you, Mitch, behind you.
We have is this a keeper?
You have to measure him.
He swallowed it.
Wait, we can only keep one over 19.
Oh.
That's 20. Oh, itty bitty. How big is this guy?
That one big enough anyway.
They're same size.
Okay, so you can keep them both?
Only one over 20, over one over
Okay,
19.
Okay. Give me your, where's some pliers?
He's a keeper.
This one is?
Yeah, keep him.
Trim his tail or something.
Here, Mom. Did you get it?
You wouldn't help me on that one. Sorry.
What?
Oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Hold him. Good.
Good.
That one keeper?
Damn, y'all let him.
Oh.
That is crazy.
That was cool.
I've never seen him do that before.
Get our tackle all situated here. You're not supposed to lip them. I know, but I do. Okay, there's that one, Christopher. There. I think that one's long enough. What's it got to be?
15. He's 16.
16?
17. Damn. Nice.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, Mom. Here's
Yes.
Mom's rod right here. My rod right here.
We got 3 in the
Here, throw this out the back.
Boy, this is a good morning.
Dude, I've never seen them do this before, where they just jumping out of the water for bait. Never seen that happen.
All right. What's next? Catch more fish. All right.
Oh, right over there.
That's.
They are just going to town over here. They're just like, they're busting. They're jumping out of the water. Look, right there. They're everywhere. Here, I'm just gonna toss this guy out the back. Here, put this in the rod holder. They're just bunching up on bait right there. Look at them all. This, right here.
Right here. Hold on.
Oh,
nope.
right off the bat.
I'm getting it.
No, you're good. He didn't eat it.
Oh, right there. I am. Come back with a fish home.
They're right up in front of us over here. Let me see if I can. Look at them all. That's insane. I can't believe I got this on video. Dude, look at them. Holy crap, there's so many. There's so many. I am. That's insane. Those are all trout jumping out of the water for fish. He just flipped that one out. Oh, yep. Hold on. Oh, yeah, here we go. Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. Get up in there, Ma.
All right.
I'll net my own.
Okay.
Come on, get him. Oh, he's not too.
That's right there.
Oh, there's a boat flip this guy.
Keeper up there.
Oh, yeah, he's a keeper.
They're up in there, Mitch.
Fishing with him. Well, he's not a keeper. We can catch bigger. He was like 15 around the money. Oh, that was a bite. Got him.
That's a good one.
I think it might be the same size. Oh yeah, actually he feels. Oh yeah, he's running.
Net.
On this guy. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. That's not a bad one. Yeah, that's a good one. Thank you. All right, throw up in there, Ma. Get him, Ma. Get him, Ma. Yes, sir.
Up in there, Mitch.
He's small. Perfect.
Throw him just.
I don't know. He's small though.
Yeah, he's small. I cannot say that I've ever seen trout do that.
Trout just jumping out of the water.
No, we all.
5 each, I think. It might be 4 now because they did change the rules.
We got a long way to go.
Oh, they're behind us now.
Yeah.
On that back. Those back schools over there.
Hey, to the right,
Oh yeah. Yep, that's them right there. That's them right there. Right at the boat.
Nice.
Bring them in.
Nope.
No. Not compared to what we were catching.
There's some fire.
Right up here in this bait ball. Dude, look at them all. Oh, that's so cool, Mom. That's so cool. Oh, there we go. Got him.
Is that a good one? Little.
He's little. He came into the surface. Throw over me.
I know that's not the right spot, but
Yeah, this guy's really little. Thanks, bud.
oh, damn it.
I'm taking us there, Mitch. Look at him.
I am looking at them. Look, 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 look.
Dude, that's so... Gosh, look at them all.
Put this thing in high gear.
It's going.
Fingers on the trigger, ready to throw.
Is it flip? Okay.
Hey, Christopher. Remember what I told you what these are?
Ball grabbers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There's a flock of them.
A flock of ball grabbers. Weirdo.
Man.
They're about to start right there, where that big ball is. Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh, this is a good one.
Okay,
Dude, look how fast he's going.
I'm ready.
Oh, that's not bad. All right, cast.
Okay. Oh, oh shit.
Get him up. Get him up.
Oh,
Is he a big one?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big one. Get the net.
Oh, it's got a fish in it.
Get this out. Hand me the net or something.
Mom's got a big. Oh,
That's a
oh.
monster. There's yours out there.
I had to cut mine so I could get the net. Hey, they're right in front of us. I'm gonna try and take you over there.
Take him over there. 17. There we go.
There you go, Mitch.
We're good.
All right, turning.
17.
17. Oh, Mitch, you always catch the... What? Mitch catches the small ones. Throw him back.
Oh shit, this one swallowed. Oh, ow, ow, ow. He got down to his belly.
Well,
Oh, he's keeper size.
yeah, that's a keeper. Mitch's is not, so save him. Oh, here we go. Yes, sir.
Oh, bang, bang.
That's a good one.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Don't worry, I'm just gonna boat flip him.
Still have to...
No.
So if it was 15, we could have kept them. Okay, that one is mine. No, that one. Oh, no, that one's yours.
I just caught him, this guy. There we go.
Mine I can't get. How long is that one?
Throw him. This guy's 18.
Throw this one in the cooler?
Yeah.